Hi, welcome back, my dear student. So I was playing around with the CMS that we got going on here, and I noticed that we don't have some type of fallback just in case we're not showing a picture. So I said it would be nice if I built some type of functionality that does that, right? We still have a whole bunch of things that we can add to this, and I'm gonna keep adding as much as I can. Okay, just bear with me. So in index.php, we could, if we wanted to, come to uh, the line where we are displaying the image, and we could write a functionality, some type of if statement, also or some type of ternary operator here to display some type of placeholder, maybe from our images folder here, just in case we don't have a picture, right? We can say if not post image, display this, else display the post image, right? We could write that here, but then that would defeat the purpose of having reusable code that we can use anywhere else. So, especially in the post page, right? We're not displaying anything there, and we seem to have some type of issue there. So let's actually, right here is the post. That one is good, but if you go all the way to the bottom, I wrote some gibberish stuff here, and there is no image here either. So let's actually make this a little bit more reusable by building or creating a helper function, right? That will help us do that. So I'm going to be using one of these pictures as a placeholder, but you're welcome to create your own pictures or use the HTTP or placehold that it. I show you how to do that in this course. That is some type of website that you can use a placeholder image from their server. But I prefer to have something here for now, okay? So I'm gonna go to functions in admin right here, and I'm gonna add that function. So let's just create this. I'm gonna call this placeholder. Let's just call this image placeholder, something like that. And of course, this is going to take some type of image. So I'm just gonna say, and I'm gonna set this to 0 or to null. It's just some type of default value here, okay? So that way we don't have any problems. So we could write an if statement here, very simply say if not image, like that. Let's just put the not statement there, or if not image, then we are going to return. I'm gonna use that placeholder in images like I said before. Oh, not in that one. In this file here, I'm just gonna say image underscore 4. It really doesn't matter. You can use whatever you want, like I said before. So I'm gonna return that, and if we do find an image, I'm just gonna return um, the image itself. Okay, it should be good. So now if I grab this here, come back to index, and instead of displaying echoing that out there, I'm just going to echo out the function. Okay, and I'm gonna take the post image here. I'm gonna pass it in as a parameter. Okay, so let's go back to this here, make sure that this works. Let's refresh it. Oh, I have a problem here. Oh, of course. Let's go back here. Let's refresh. I'm having some type of difficulty. Image placeholder. Oh, we don't need this single quotes here. As a matter of fact, I just did not save the other file. It should be good. We don't need to make it attached. We are already inside quotes. So let's refresh, and there we go. Now if I go all the way to the bottom, you can see that we are displaying this as default. If I go to this one here, of course we are not. So let's do that. Let's use that function in post as well. So I'm gonna copy all this out. And let's go to post. Let's see where that is. I'm gonna do a search here. Oops. I mean, another file here. It should be. Oh, there we go. That was easy to find. And I'm gonna paste that in there. Let's go here and refresh. And as you can see, there we go. We made this a lot more reusable. Now I'm noticing something here. We don't have our comment form. Let's go back and see what's going on here. Okay, let's look for the end tag for that. This is the where we are getting the ID for the post, and that ends. That doesn't end there. It's ending right here. I got three. Huh. Okay, I see what's going on. So let's take out one of these guys here, and I believe this will fix the issue right here. So let's come back here. Let's save this. Let's go back here and let's refresh, and voila, comment is good. Okay, perfect. All right, that would do it for this lecture, guys. Hopefully, I was able to add something valuable to you, to this course, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.